Hi friends, welcome to Naveen Math Foster YouTube channel. This is Naveen Raidu and today we are going to do multiplication trick as 10 as a base. Let's start class. And our first sum 14 into 16. Here you should observe that first number is 14. It is 10 plus 4 and it is 10 plus 6. Just I am writing 4 and 6 on top of the numbers. See here 14 and 6. If you add them, how much will you get? 20. So that is the most important trick in our sum. And keep one more 0 here. And one more thing you have to do is these numbers 4 and 6 are there, no? 6 fours are how much? 24. That 24 you keep here. 4, 2, 2. So answer is 224. So 14 16s are 224. In general, how you will do? 14 into 16. 6 fours are 24. 6 ones are 6. 7, 8. 1 fours are 4. 1 ones are 1. So 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. So it will save time here on practicing sums. You can say by seeing question only, you can say answer directly after 2-3 examples. Now go to next example. Select any number. Let us take 18 table or 16 table, 17 table, anything. I am taking 17 table into 12. Here it is 10 plus 7. It is a 10 plus a 2. So here 17 plus a 2. How much? 19. 0. It is the main thing you should remember. And later here you keep into 7 to the 14. Just add that number here. 4 and 204 is the answer. And here what you observe, you should observe that 7 plus 12. If you add these two also, you will have 19. If you add these two also, you will have 19. So same thing here. 40 plus 6 to 20 and 16 plus 4 also 20. That thing you should observe here. And coming to next example. Now let us take little bit bigger table. 19. This is applicable up to 19, 20 table also. So let us do with the 19. 19 into 12. So here your responsibility is to write how many more? Plus 9 plus 2. So same 19 plus 2 how much? 21. If you do 12 plus 9 also 21. Don't forget to keep 0. It is very very important. And 9 2s are 18. If you keep into symbol it's fine. But you should think about this multiplication. 18. So 8 to 2. So same examples I am writing here. 14 into 16. 17 into 12. 19 into 12. Without using that, even this 224, without writing this also, how can we say? If you practicing more examples, how can you do it fast? 14 into 16, 5. 10 plus 4, 10 plus 6. You should keep 4 and 6 in your mind. That is very very important. And here 14 is there, no? Just add this 6 to 14. How much will become? 20. Means nothing but 200. And this units place very very important. And this units place you should add to that 200. How much will become 6 4 24? 224. Same like that. Now it will be very clear to you. 17 2. Means what? Plus 1 plus 2 it is in mind you should keep. Next 17 plus 2 how much? 19. So 190. 190 plus dash 190 plus 14. 190 plus 14 is 204. Same 19 plus 2 21. 210. 9 2s are 18. 210 plus 18. 210 after 220. 228. See here. 228. 228. 204. 204. 204. 24. And the last example I am saying today. Let us take a 19 and 15. Let us do fraction of second trick. How much is there? 19 plus 5. How much? 24. 240. 240 plus 9 5 is 45. 240 plus 45. 240 plus 45. That's take 285. Now, if you do slowly, plus 9 plus 5. 19 plus 5. 24. 240 plus 9 5 is 45. Just add this 45 to this. 285. So if you do more examples, it will be easy. I am giving some project work for you. Just write 3 sums here. Just practice work for you. 18 into 14, 16 into 13, 14 into 19. Just do these sums. And if you like my class, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And to get latest notifications, click on bell button. Thank you.